money makes money. Don't save too much money. I know, right? You like, he's starting already. That's what y'all saying. He's starting already. Don't save too much. And this is what I'm talking about. I like when you guys save for your emergency fund. I love when you guys invest. And I also love that you're doing all of that based upon a budget. But if you don't leave any room in your budget for you to live your life, then you're going to have a horrible life. And you may never get to spend any of the money that you're saving and investing, right? Leave some room for some fun, okay? Don't save too much. If you know at the end of all your bills and expenses that you have $400, and I'm not going to tell you how much you should save. I'm not going to tell you how much you should spend when it comes to activities and other things that you want to do in life. The only thing I'm going to say is don't save too much because you still need to live your life. Now, I know some people who save extremely a lot. And some of these people that I know, they are minimalists, okay? Minimalists. That's a hard word for me, trying to put my lips back and forth together. Minimalist. Minimalist people, they stretch things to the extreme, thus in turn, and I'm not saying they're doing it for money. Don't get me wrong. But they will save a lot of money because they are minimalists. I am... if there was tiers of a minimalist, I'm at the bottom tier, okay? Because there's some things that I'm like, I don't really need that. I'll just use that old one, or I can get it from here. I don't really need that. I give a lot of stuff away from charity, and I try to make do with the stuff I have. But the other problem, the reason why I'm at the bottom tier of that is because I like tech stuff, and yeah. But anyway, don't say too much because it will literally hold you back in life, right? What if you was saving so much that you didn't even have to buy the church? You're like, oh, if I just throw my clothes in the washer and dryer, I don't need no soap. The water to clean it. Now we're going too far, guys. Yeah, you need some soap, right? Because that's why they have natural soap, because they know that people need soap. I just take a bird bath, get some water under here. No, your tail needs some soap, bruh. Okay, you need some soap on that body. So don't save too much, because a lot of times when you save and you like, hey, you haven't been outside your apartment, you haven't been outside your house in the last 3 months, and your boys, your girlfriends, they say, hey girl, why don't you come out and have a couple of drinks? Oh no, right now I'm just saving, I have such goals. Like, you haven't spent any money in the last 90 days. Like, is somebody dying? And I'm not saying that you guys should not have goals. I'm not saying that you guys shouldn't really push your savings and push your investing, but you have to leave a little space to live somewhat of a life. Because part of your life, to make it whole, is to have friends. Part of your life, to make it whole, is to spend a little money on yourself. Yeah, yes, you should save more than you should spend. You should invest more than you spend. But you should still spend a little bit money on yourself. Gratitude, all right? Appreciation, hard work. You need to reward yourself every now and again. It don't have to be splurging. Maybe it's a Starbucks coffee, okay? Because we know Starbucks coffee is $10 to $16 a cup. I mean, it could be short, tall, Vende Grande. I mean, we know it's not that much. It just depends. If you get the mocha latte hot, almond milk squeeze with 3 things of stevia and a kick in the butt from the person who works there. I don't know. Right? You got all these ways that people do. I want it upside down, and I want it shook and not stirred and whatever. That could be your treat for a month. Don't save too much, because that mindset goes in so many realms that could be detrimental to your health. Right? Because when you're saving so much, you may feel so trapped in your thinking that you can't do anything, right? That you can't do anything. You're like, oh, I can't do that because I'm saving this amount of money. Oh, I can't do that because that's going to cost me this amount of money. You can't go anywhere outside your normal routine of driving because you already did the math of how much it's going to cost you in gas money. Oh, it's going to cost me an extra $2 in gas. Now, some of you think this video is quite ridiculous because you know you're not going to do that, but believe me, there's people out there that are like this. And some of them are minimalist. And I'm just saying, don't save too much. too much. And you should define what's too much in your life. If your friends don't know who you are no more because you don't come out, you're off of work, you just don't come out because you're trying to save $15, $10. You're like, hey girl, hey bruh, I'll pay for your drink. Oh nah man, then I have to pay for gas to get out there. Like, come on. Don't save too much. Treat yourself, reward yourself for all the hard work you're doing with your finances and on your job or the job you create. It doesn't matter. But just don't save too much, guys. Live your life and have fun. But don't have too much fun that's going to kill your savings and kill your investments, okay? You got to have a healthy balance. You got to have a healthy balance. So here's the thing. If you got $400 that you have over after all your bills, save and invest $300. Take $100 a month for yourself, right? Once all your expenses, all your utilities, rent, mortgage, include your gas, include your groceries inside that bill. And if you have $400 left, I want you to save a certain amount of that, and I want you to invest the rest, right? Some people will put more money into investments. Some people will do more money in savings. And I'll do a video of what I think is a good ratio of what you should put in savings and what you should put in investing, because it depends on your life and where you're headed, and also it depends on your age, okay? This is all mathematics. But generally speaking, if you have $400 left over, invest and save the $300 and have $100 for yourself for that month. Whatever it may be. Who knows? Maybe you want hoo-hoos and ha-has and JoJo's. I don't know. But whatever it is, hopefully it will make you happy, deserving, and rewarding of what you've been doing with your life. This is Ross World. Learn money and be inspired. Don't save too much money. Are you the Grinch that stole Christmas? Man, go ahead and splurge a little bit. Maybe throw up $3 and pick it back up. I'm out.